doing chess puzzles in the whole year of 2025. So this is part 1. This is only part 1. So today is January 1, 2025. So happy new year to everybody. So let us start now. So today it's black to move. Okay, so like everybody says, we need to sacrifice the queen. Okay, so there we go. We sacrifice the queen and then we put the rook in there. And then I think we put we make this a rook. No, we sacrifices the rook again, and then yeah, queen. That's it. Okay, keep it up. 2 days in a row. Okay, so that's all for today. For more exciting video, please follow and